Hi guys, it's Mamie. I thought I would do a June garden tour. Um, Not much is in bloom except for this columbine here. And then as you can see behind my garage, the tall phlox is back there against the garage. And then these are all daylilies that'll come out probably in June. But the columbine is up in the front. Now I had some white ones. This one didn't come up for some reason. And then another pink one here. And then the white one didn't come up here either. And that pink one is struggling, so I'm not quite sure what's happening, but you know, such is life of a gardener. So the creeping phlox is past. I should have done a video to show you how pretty that was, but that's done. Now these are going to be, I think they're, what are they called? You know, I should mark these things and I don't. Stargazers. These are like stargazers. You can see the buds are starting to come out, so I love the smell of those. Then we have lots of lilies, lots of buds coming up on these lilies, as you can see there. And then this little bird bath, the blue jays have been loving it. Todd and I sit out back here at the table, and we just sit here and watch how cute these blue jays are taking baths, and they drink from it. It's so cute. Then we have the salvia. That's in bloom right now. It's beautiful. That attracts a lot of bees and butterflies. And then we have our hummingbird feeder there. And then I want you to see this. This is the best part of the garden right now, is the peonies. That's a whole row of peonies that we have. And then my knockout roses are right next to it behind here. Actually, the peonies are so big this year. They're a little bit higher than normal, so I can't see my roses from the house, so I have to come out back here and show you. I'll try to keep this as steady as I can. So the knockout roses are in my little flag that I changed out. I have to put my 4th of July flag out, actually. I like to put it out in June until the week after the 4th. So I gotta get that out. So this is the best part of the garden right now, are the peonies and the knockout roses. I just think they're so pretty. I wish they smelled though. They don't have a scent to them. They don't have fragrance, so that's one downfall of them, but I guess supposedly they're one of the easier roses to grow. This one's already got pests. There's lots of holes in my leaves here. I gotta do something about that, so I gotta get spraying with something. But then we have some pretty peonies here. Look at how many blooms are on this one plant. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think there's like 20. So pretty, and they smell so good. I wish I had smell-o-vision. It smells delicious. I should cut some and put them in the house, but you know, I mean, I don't mind doing that, but I really do enjoy them out in my garden, so I don't know if I'm going to do that or not. And more daylilies here. I cannot remember what this is, so if anybody knows, please tell me. Is it a weed? No, it's not a weed. This big thing here, I cannot remember what I put there. So then we have some heuchera. It's not doing very well right there, pink. And then there's one here. I love splashes of heuchera because it gives the garden some color, and it's all summer long, which I like. And then more stargazers here. There's salvia, more salvia. Stargazers there are going to be ready to pop probably in a few weeks, or a couple weeks maybe. And more phlox, more lilies. Got a hosta there. Another bird bath here. My girlfriend Amy, she's the one that makes all my glasses for me. She made me that ladybug out of a croquet ball. It's so cute. Now I do have, see that trellis there? That is clematis or clematis. however you pronounce it. I pronounce it clematis, but everybody pronounces it differently. So, but I finally have enough to train it up the trellis, but I still have not had it bloom yet. I think this is the second year I've had it, so I think they say it takes a couple of years for it to establish, so we'll see how that goes. And then down my whole fence here, in the front are all daylilies, and in the back are all my hydrangeas, which the hydrangeas are looking beautiful, but they haven't bloomed yet. Of course, it's a little early. We had a very late winter here in upstate, so, oh, look at, if I can get them. Look at the birds. Don't look at this garden, though. This garden's a mess. Ooh, there's a... Ooh. I wish he'd go in the bird bath so I could show you. Look at him. This is our memory garden, and I really want the majority of my plants to be heuchera in here because the vibrant colors of all the different types of heuchera nowadays. Sorry guys, I'm gonna wobble. I have to step down here. Sorry. It just, I can see it from the house and it looks so pretty. Oh, he's flying away. Oh, there's the little robin. But anyways, I'm getting off track here with my birds. I love my birds. I have some, there's some more irises there. But I put a lot of daylilies in here, but I really do think I want to add a lot more. That's a ruby redbud tree. And we got to get that white off of it there so it can breathe for the summer. That's doing very well. But my dogwoods are not. See something? If you can see right, where's my finger? Right there, something took a big chunk out of it this fall. Some animal. And then this one, I don't know, it has like this neon yellow greenish thing on it. I have to take a picture of it and get it to my nursery to see what I have to do to treat it because I'm afraid it's gonna ruin it. So I hope I can save it. But anyways guys, that's just, let me zoom back out here. I have my 2 fairy gardens that I have to put here. Emma and I did some yesterday, but not enough. We didn't have enough time to do all of them, so we'll do them in stages, I guess. So that's it for today. This will be the June tour, and I'm hoping to get back to you with an update with my window boxes. I'm hoping to do this weekend, so maybe that'll be next week's video, and I'll show you my window boxes and see how they progress throughout the summer. Have a great day, guys, and thanks for joining. Have a good one. Bye-bye.